Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I'm with Romoss here at CES Las Vegas 2025. Romoss is here to charge a new future. How exciting it was to see the Romoss booth at the CES 2025 in Las Vegas. Romoss is known for their charging solutions from everything from smartphones to laptops to cameras to households. When you think of power, now I think of Romoss. I got to walk around to see all of their different power solutions. They gave a sneak peek on 7 different key product lines. This is the latest in power technology for the year 2025. Today I have with me the executives of Romoss at this conference. I was so excited to meet the people of Romoss. I met Nigel. He's the Chief Marketing Officer of Romoss.
Hello everyone, I'm Nigel and I'm the Chief Marketing Officer of Romoss. Today we are bringing a lot of gorgeous product lines to you guys.
Hi, I'm Eric in Romoss and I'm a salesperson. And Romoss is bringing some small product but with biggest power to you.
And I'm here with Shoy, the product manager of Romoss.
Hello everyone, my name is Shuai. Welcome to CES and Romoss. And here we design product based on people's daily user cases. We want to satisfy everyone's demand for your charging need. So name it, all the charging demand, we can satisfy it. Okay? So we are excited to meet you here. Let's have fun.
Let's go see what they have. All the latest in charging technology. While at Romoss's booth at the CES 2025 in Las Vegas, Nevada, I went through all of their products. They had so many diverse charging solutions. The way they configured their power into useful, unique chargers. Even one for your cigarette adapter, your auxiliary power in a car. That is a gadget I think everybody needs. There were some gadgets that were so ahead of their time, I couldn't even imagine what they were until I had Romoss personnel describe them for me. There were too many to show you one by one, so I've kept this video down to their top products. But I wanted to show you this video so you can see just by looking at these products, the different configurations of power for different applications in your home. It was so impressive. Let's hear some details.
Hi guys, this is our new product, Romoss Flash Power, and it's up to 130 watts, and it can support the many devices like your laptop, everything you need. Eric.
And then we have a different edition of this product. As you can see, this is our coolest product. You can charge your laptop with the wire. And also you can put your phone over here to do a wireless charging. So you can charge 2 devices in the same time.
Hi Rebecca, let me introduce our new product, Golden Box, to you guys. And we have Eric to introduce more future about this product.
Hi, I'm Eric. Let me talk about this Golden Box to you. And the Golden Box is a magnetic power bank. You can put your phone over here to do a wireless charging. And then in addition, there's a foldable stand over here. There's also a card holder in the stand. So there's many features in these products.
And this very portable power bank can be used to charge 3 devices. And it works great with the Apple family of AirPods, your iPhone, and your iWatch. Tell us more.
Do you have all the Apple product family? Because like me, we are Apple lovers. But do you have this concern when you are trying to charge your Apple products, there are too many chargers you need to have. Like a wall charger for your iPhone, another wall charger for your iWatch, or even for the AirPods. But here, you must get your problem. We have this guy, which is an all-in-one solution for your Apple family. Because on this wireless charging surface, you can charge your iPhone and also AirPods. Then, for sure, iWatch is compatible with this. And what's more amazing is it has a built-in Type-C cable. It is 30 watts. On the market, you can merely find a product with wireless charging together with a wired 30 watt charger. And here what's more interesting is with this cable. And if you have an extra cable, you can charge 3 devices in total. 1 wireless, too weird. You can even charge this guy for your MacBook. That's very amazing, right? So everything for Apple, here we go, guys. Try it out.
What a wonderful 3-in-1 power solution. And then Shui showed me the portable outdoor power solutions. Great to take on hikes and exploring when you're out in nature.
I'm gonna introduce you a very cool category of Romoss. It's called light outdoor. The reason we call this is like in people's daily life, they may have a short trip, not very long, but they also have charging demand. And they want very convenient way of solving it, like all-in-one solution. So here I'm gonna introduce you a very cool product. There is like a case and also built-in cable here. So in general, you can carry this guy with you at any daily like short outdoor usage. And then, oops, my phone is out of charge. What I can do? Here you go. There's like a retractable cable. You can pull it out and here you go. And this is what is amazing. And also there is a display onto it. And you can like see all the status of the charging, like how fast it is, like how many hours the battery is left. So you can take it, and there's one example I'm gonna give you here, because during last year's show, there's a guy come to me and ask, okay, you have this product, it's amazing because I'm a journalist. I have so many equipment on me every day, but when my phone is out of charge, I don't have a power bank for it because there is no like belt. But for this, with this product, he can carry it easily and charge it whenever he wants for his daily usage. So this is a user case. That's why we have this. We consider usage for the customer.
So often I'm out in the field filming and I'm running out of power. I just thought, what a great looking strap-on power device that I can wear as I'm needing my hands to do everything I'm doing with my photography. This is a great power strap for those that have jobs that take them out and they need their power right there on their sides without having to use their hands.
I'm gonna go through you another very amazing product there. And it is our PMT series. This guy, there's a handle on the top and you can carry it for your outdoor usage like camping or like cycling. And this guy, there's an emergency light here. And some of our customers, they even use it for fishing. And on top of it, there is different port scenario. And you can charge almost every type of your devices. And then it is made by aluminum, very well designed and lightweight. So here we go, guys. If you want to camp, don't wait, take it.
And I love this handheld small power bank with a ton of power for when I'm out in nature, at a picnic, anything where I'm not able to get to an electrical cord to plug in. This is what you take with you. And talk about home backup power. How is this for emergencies? Think of your emergencies. You can have up to 16 backup batteries for those emergencies that'll last for days, so you and your family can have the power you need. And with sun coming up on those days without power, you can even recharge them with their solar panels. Shui, tell me the specifics. That sounds so powerful.
Yeah, for sure, Rebecca. Thanks for the amazing introduction. Like this product, just as I said, we design product based on people's actual need. And nowadays there is power emergency requirement on the market. So we designed this user case as the balcony power usage. As you can see, we simulate a balcony here, and where you can put your solar panel here. And all the way you can connect this to our very well designed modulated power station. And this guy is called RX1000. It's 1000 watt and 1008 watt hour. And what is magical, I would say, is like this guy is modulated. You can put it on top of the battery, just as Rebecca mentioned. And one machine, it can equipped with like 3 extra batteries. In total, it's gonna be like 4000 watt hour and 1000 watt. And what's cool, it can have an extra like 3 machines. In total, it's gonna be like 4 machines, 4000 watt. It can be used for almost everything in your home, like fridge, TV, everything, name it. Even like game console for a long time. You are not like worried of losing power when you are playing like Black Myth Wukong. And this gonna be like 16 watt hour in total. And with solar panel, no worries about power shut down and get rid of any power emergency you're gonna have. Okay, so guys, meet Romoss, meet our amazing modulated power station.
And this is the MagMount charging bank. And this is for any kind of bicycle, whether you have an electric bike or a normal bicycle. This can mount on the handlebars with different sizes of O-rings. Let's hear more about this.
Okay guys, welcome to one of our most innovative section here. I'm so excited. And here I'm gonna introduce you the MagMount product. Cycle hours is like, do you have the cases like when you are trying to navigate to someone you are not familiar with and whoops, your phone or your bike computer is out of charge. Like you don't know where to go, you are stuck in the middle of the road. But this time we have a solution for you. This is Romoss MagMount. And here we go, it is. And has different like parts. The first part is wireless charger. I mean, it is built in. But what's amazing, you can disassemble it and charge it with your phone and for daily usage. And after you charge it, maybe you charge it home and then you want to go the office by your bike, you just take it together and you put it into the mount. Yes. And another part of it is the holder of the battery. And then here it comes to the bike mount. And what's cooler is like there is a joint here. It is universal. You can like use it for almost all the accessories on the market for different bike accessory brands. For example, this LED light. You can assemble it, and when you are navigating together on the bike, isn't it amazing? And then what comes next is like it is like a transformer. Why? Here you go. Like you can put the mount of the power bank at the bottom and also put the like bike computer on the top. And you can navigate when you are biking because sometimes the computer bike can take longer. But still, if you are do navigating, it also like power consuming. So with this power bank, you can go for like 2 or 3 days trip without any like power concern. So here we go, bike lovers. Come to Romoss. We have your solution.
I'm Rebecca Brand. Wasn't that a great tour of Romoss?
Come on, guys.
Click the link below and check out all those products we just showed you even more. And we'll see you next year at CES. I hope you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great recipes in life. And today's life is superpower and supercharge with Romoss. See you next time to next year's CES.